When displaying sorted, tabular data in a report, it's often the case that you'll have some sort of duplication in the values being displayed. For instance, if a customer has placed several orders, their name might appear multiple times, one on top of another. You can clean up the design of your report by hiding these types of repetitions. Let's go ahead and open up our main menu, and I'll show you an example. Let's go ahead and choose a year here. I'll choose 2014 and batteries. We're going to go ahead and view the profit summary. When the report runs, you'll notice the batteries category gets repeated over and over again. If I close the report and go ahead and select a year, but don't select a category, go to View Profit Summary here, you'll notice that we get the same state appearing multiple times as well. So let's go ahead and clean up the design of this. I'm going to close Print Preview here, and I'll close out the main menu. And then I'll go down into my report, down here in the very bottom, and I'll right-click on it and jump straight into Design View. Now the change I want to make applies to the state name text box here and the category text box over here. So I'm going to hold down the Shift key and select both of them. And all we need to do is go over here to the Property Sheet, underneath the Format tab, and if we scroll all the way down to the bottom, we'll find a property here called Hide Duplicates. I can change that from No to Yes. And that's all we need to do. I'll go ahead and close the Property Sheet. We'll go ahead and close and save our changes to the report. And now we can test it out again. I'll double-click on Main Menu. We'll select a year. We'll select a category. And we'll go ahead and view the report. Now you can see light bulbs only appears one time on the first line. And it's not rephrase. Now I can see that the word light bulbs only appears one time at the top, and it's not repeated over and over again. Let's go ahead and close the print preview here. And if we just select a year but not a category, you'll see the same thing applies to the states here. So now it makes it easy to see where Illinois stops and Indiana starts. By removing the redundant labels on the report, you can clean up the design and maybe make it just a little bit easier to read.